Welcome to How to Draw Anything. Today we're drawing a cat in 8 simple steps. Grab a pencil and some paper, and let's go. Step 1. Draw big shapes. Begin by drawing a circle for the cat's head and an oval for its body. These shapes should be light and easy to erase, as they're just the foundation. This step helps us block in the overall size and posture of the cat. Step 2. Add center lines. Now, lightly draw a vertical line through the center of the head and body. This will help us keep our features symmetrical and aligned. These center lines act as guides for placing the cat's features accurately. Step 3. Outline contours. Using the circle and oval as guides, refine the outline of the cat's head and body. Make the lines more accurate but still light. This step is about getting the silhouette right before we add any details. Step 4. Place features. Now place the cat's eyes on the head circle, using the center line to keep them even. Add a small triangle for the nose and a line for the mouth. These features start bringing the cat's face to life and should be placed lightly for adjustments. Step 5. Add details. Add triangular shapes for the ears on top of the head and simple lines for the paws and tail. These elements give the cat its character and should be drawn lightly to maintain flexibility. This step enhances the overall structure of your cat drawing. Step 6. Define line weight. Now go over your drawing with a firmer hand to emphasize the final lines. Darken the contours and features that you want to stand out. This final step gives your drawing a polished look, highlighting the cat's form and features. Step 7. Add tone and shade. Time to learn tone. Decide where your light comes from and imagine it shining from the top left. Now shade the opposite side with the side of your pencil in soft, even layers. Shading is what makes your drawing feel round instead of flat. Step 8. Finishing touches. The last minute is where the magic happens. Press harder on the outer contour so it stands out and keep the inside lines thin and soft. Add a few short strokes for texture and give the drawing a soft shadow to sit on. And you're done. Well drawn. Want to turn your own photo into a lesson just like this one? Visit howtodrawanything.app. See you at the next drawing.